Hey guys, good morning. And we're gonna do another live sound reveal. And so we're just waiting for viewers to join us. We're gonna do a live sound reveal of this Honda Rebel. So we'll just wait for a few people to join us. Again, at the end of this video, I'm gonna be giving away K&N face mask worth 500 pesos. So I'm gonna be giving away 2 K&N face masks at the end of this video. So if you like this face mask, just leave a comment, and of course if you can share this video, much better. So before that, let me give a shout out to those who are watching. Let's give a shout out to Bob Perez, Gian Vertusio, my dad's watching. I think it's evening there. Good evening, Dad. MJ Balacano, Mygel, Vion Reyes. Good. A shout out to Jo Marie Saluda, Ernie Viernes. More power to Drift Eagles. Thank you, man. Shout out to Jolly brother of TICP East. And Romel Jose, shout out to you. Aldrin Trinidad, hello. Dalton Yap, MC Baymads, Romel Trops. Oh, these are the people that we get. Glenn, wala pa yung shirt mo. Just stay tuned. Hopefully, by the end of this week, I already have it. So that's the Drift exhaust na jersey. Sobrang ganda. As you guys can see on from my last video, I wore it and it fits me nicely. So yan, stay tuned lang, Glenn, ha. And of course, shout out to Alex Roque de los Reyes, who owns this badass bike over here. Hindi niya pa nakikita yung ginawa ko dito. This is gonna be the first time that he's gonna be seeing our work done on his bike, and the first time that he'll be hearing it, although not in person, but absolutely once he gets this, he's gonna be hearing the intensity of the power more. So shout out kay Joel, Jasper, Glenn, Kurt, Anthony De Leon, shout out to you. And of course, John Ray, Hamor, I still have your, ikaw nga ba yung nanalo ng K&N mask? Adrian, wala pang cup. Sorry, nagkaubusan ng cup. Ang next project was the jersey. Yung cup sa susunod na yun. I'm thinking of having a camouflage cap naman. Yun ang gagawin natin sa susunod. So, alright. I think that's pretty much it. Shout out to Migs. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys the bike, okay? Alright, so this is the Honda Rebel 500. So what do I know about it? It's got 47 horses, and it's got 43 Newton meter of torque, and then it's got around 471cc engine. So sobrang ganda ng itsura niya. Ayan, no? Sobrang ganda ng itsura niya, right? It's got that classic look. I don't know if these stocks are these tires are stock. Alex, ano ba to? Stock ba tong tire mo? Ganda eh. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-design dyan eh. And I think he put this here too. Alex, yan, ano? Ginilagay niya eh. Oh. So ganda. Now, papakita ko na kay Alex yung ginawa namin sa exhaust niya. So ito na siya. Yan, ang ganda. So my design, Alex, just so you know, I don't want it to be tunog lata eh. So gusto ko maganda yung exhaust mo, brother eh. I want it to sound deep, to sound mean as well, but it's not gonna irritate those who are listening to it. So sabi ni Alex, aftermarket na rin daw. So yan ang ganda, di ba? So it's a really nice bike. And hindi siya mabigat eh. And it's got enough power for you to enjoy going around the twisties or maybe just strolling. So yeah, semi-steampunk. Yeah, absolutely. So now it's time to just start it. Ito si Mel. He's gonna help me start the bike. Pakinggan na natin. Start lang tayo. Bale, ano pa lang to? Idle pa lang. Idle pa lang yan. Idle pa lang yan, Alex. So now we're gonna rev it a little bit. I'm gonna move back a little bit. Yan, sige, rev mo. Ang sarap sa tenga. Ano ba to? Ang sarap sa tenga. So, hindi siya malakas sa idle. And even if you drive it na cruising lang, hindi siya ganun kalakas. But once you rev it, boom! Yan na. Yan na. Doon na siya bumibigay na, no, this is not your regular bike. This is something special. Ang sarap sa tenga eh. Let's do that again. So, start natin. Rev mo ulit. Yan. So Alex, I hope you like your bike. Mas maganda syempre in person because in person mas maririnig mo yung intensity niya. Of course, if you're just watching it from your cell phone, medyo iba. But even with watching it on cell phone only, maririnig mo naman yung deep bass, maririnig mo yung rumble. So I'm really proud with the work we've done on this bike. So Alex, you can pick the bike now, anytime now. So let's go ahead and proceed to giving away this two K&N face mask. So if you want to buy the face mask, it's 500 pesos. But this time, I'm gonna be giving it away for free. All you gotta do is just share and comment, and then mamimili ako sa mga viewers natin right now. So, sino bang bibigyan natin? First winner na K&N face mask. Hanap tayo ha. Don't forget to share this live so that makasama kayo. Sino papipiliin natin? First winner will go to Mijo Vion Reyes. Okay, and then second winner. Second winner. Ang dami may gusto pala. Second winner. Second winner. Harap tayo. Okay, kay Jolly. Jolly, congrats to you guys. Hope you guys like this video and the work we've done on this bike. See you guys again soon. Bye.